Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm doing something exciting, something I've not made a video on in a long time, and it is the contents of this box. Now, it's not my protein, but the company that owns this, THG, I think that's what it's called, they own a whole bunch of different companies. They own these ones here, My Vitamins, The Hut, Zavi, Beauty Expert, Coggles, also My Bag. They own a bunch of companies, but they also own Pop in a Box. Now, I have not got Pop in a Box in a few years now, so I don't know, I've just been watching some unboxing videos of Pops and just thought that I miss doing it. I miss enjoying the wonders of having pop vinyls. I don't know why, but yes, so I've signed up again to Pop in a Box. So monthly I will be receiving one pop, and it could be absolutely anything. Generally they give you an idea of, like, you can click if you don't want certain items, or if you like definitely want some certain things, you can click off ones that you already have, so you won't get doubles and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is my first one. I am not sure what to expect. You can get like rare versions, like chase versions, special editions, exclusives, stuff like that. But I am excited to open up my first box of my new Pop in a Box subscription. If you do want to sign up for this, I will have a link in the down bar so you can have a look if anything takes your fancy. So one of these. What did I get? Is it good? Is it terrible? Okay, that is an awesome way to start. This is probably going to be worth a fortune in time. This is the Golden Rock Pop. This is incredible. I love this. Wow. That is really cool. Like, WWE Pops, they do kind of go up in value quite a lot after a little while. And The Rock, yeah, you cannot go wrong with a Rock Pop vinyl, if you ask me. And it's all gold. That's so cool. So yeah, this subscription is £9.99 and £2.99 postage. And as I said, you could get absolutely anything. So I'm pretty sure that this is probably worth more than £9.99. But yeah, there's like a little dink in the plastic there. You can probably see that in the light actually. But nothing too bad, I suppose. Just a little dink there. Aside from that, it's pretty good. But The Rock, I'm happy with that. Definitely happy. Another thing I kind of like is the sunglasses are actually like see-through plastic. They're not just moulded like that. I don't know, I just find that cool. So yeah, thumbs up on my first Pop in a Box of 2022, I guess. Let's start a new thing. 2022, Pop in a Box a month, if, you know, I keep feeling like doing it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you all again in the next one. Adios.